y'all know summer is here and it's so many different events to go to, so many parties, so many birthdays, so many baby showers. You want to stand out and look good this summer for 2025. You're not sure about what hairstyle you want to do. You might want to get out your comfort zone or try something new. So this video right here, I'm going to tell you all of the hottest hairstyles to have this summer for 2025. Let's get into it. Hairstyles that I see that will be trendy is quick weave. Quick weave has become so popular this year, and even last year. I don't know if you guys seen, or if you don't know, that quick weave became popular because Cash Doll, the hairstyle that Cash Doll had was a quick weave hairstyle, and everybody loved it, and it became very, very trendy on social media. Now that hairstyle is still trendy to this day. You can have a break from wigs. Definitely if you're someone who wear wigs often, or you're someone who get tired of wearing wigs, you want to wear your natural hair, get a quick weave. Easy maintenance, okay? Another hairstyle that is popular, that became more popular this year, but I know it's gonna be popular for the summer because nobody has time to just keep doing their own hair every day. It is a flip over. Now, I particularly say curly because it's the summertime. You want something flowy, you want some volume, you want something big, and it gives summer, it gives beach. Having flip over hairstyle is perfect definitely when you're going to the beach, or you going to like some type of, like in Chicago, we have restaurants on the beach. You want to go to something like that, it'll be so cute with your outfit to have a nice curly flip over hairstyle. Even with the quick weave, with the layers, okay? I think that would definitely be cute for this summer. Now, another hairstyle that would be cute for this summer is for the girls that love the short hairs, and it is the pixie cuts. Pixie cuts are perfect for the summertime. It's low maintenance. It's maintenance because when you try to do your pixie cuts hairstyle on your own and you're not a pro with it, it can be a headache and you might not know what to do with your hairstyle. Trust me, I've been there. But it is perfect for the summertime because it is low maintenance, okay? You don't have to worry about constantly flat ironing your hair or curling your hair or just having to deal with a whole bunch of hair on your head. Definitely in the summertime with the heat and it's being hot, I personally think pixie cuts work well when either you have fine hair or you have a perm. If you're someone who have thick hair and you have a pixie cut hairstyle that you flat iron or has been curled, it might not last because, you know, with thicker hair, the humidity does mess up your hairstyle. Also, what is going to be trendy is quick weaves that are short bob length. When you have all that hair on your head, and especially pack hair, it can be very, very hot. Now, some people can manage it and they just don't care. So they want the full volume and the long hair. But for this summer, this hot ass summer, yeah, a nice short quick weave will definitely do the justice. Another hairstyle that I feel like works perfectly for the summertime is the girls that love their natural hair but ponytails. But not just a regular old ponytail, not a ponytail with weave added onto it. I'm talking about the ponytail like the mohawk bun. The mohawk bun been trending, but I feel like it's a perfect hairstyle for the summertime because it's an easy hairstyle to do and it also look good with a lot of different outfits. Definitely when you're trying to do something minimalistic. Definitely for the girls who, if you have not washed your hair and you got a last minute outing to go to, you just go ahead and do that real quick, or whatever the case is. I feel like that hairstyle is very easy to do and it will be very trendy for the summer for the girls who want to wear their natural hair and they want something cute very quick. Now this is another hairstyle that is a part of quick weave, but it is the half up half down hairstyle. Now I feel like that hairstyle is perfect for when you go on vacation or you have like a networking event to go to, but also I feel like that hairstyle is perfect because it's not that much maintenance to do. You kind of protect your hair, not causing any more heat damage to your hair. Everything is put up and your hair is protected. That hairstyle is definitely perfect for when you are going on vacation because you wouldn't have to constantly do your hair every day. At least you don't have to worry about your hair when you're on vacation. That hairstyle is totally perfect. And lastly, the last hairstyle that I know is perfect for the summertime, it is boho braids. Now I particularly think that the short bob boho braids will be great for the summertime. because of the heat. I do believe that boho braids are always going to be perfect for the summertime because of the curls and the waves, and it has that illusion of a mermaid or a fairy. But also it's low maintenance because your hair is braided up, but it helps your hair grow as well. Boho knotless braids is definitely going to be a great hairstyle for the summertime, but I particularly see that the short 10, 12, or 14 inches of braids, I think that would be cute for the summertime. These are all the hairstyles that are going to be perfect for the summertime. It is low maintenance, it doesn't take too much of your time, and you can look amazing at any events that you go to. It's time for you guys to step out your comfort zone, because this year I'm doing the same. Try different hairstyles. These hairstyles are also easy to do at home, or you go ahead and pay somebody to do it for you. But yeah, go ahead and try these hairstyles out. You're gonna love it that you tried something different and you got out the box. So thank you, my babies. Go ahead and leave your comments down below if you have any questions or concerns. Give this video a thumbs up, and y'all already know the memo. If you're not subscribed, then what are you doing? You're missing out on good content, girl. And don't forget to follow me on TikTok and Instagram. Bye, my babies.